Hello students, now we are going to discuss our next time saving result which is applicable for CET, JEE and in another entrance examination for engineering. Okay, let us start our time saving result. Our topic is differentiation as you know. Okay, can I start students? Please see carefully. Okay. Our next time saving result is written as d by dx of tan inverse of a cos of x plus b sin x whole divided by b cos x minus a sin x. Okay. We have to differentiate tan inverse of a cos x plus b sin x whole divided by b cos x minus a sin x. We can learn it as right cos x sin x divided by cos x sin x. Right coefficients a, b, b, a plus minus. Means a, b, b, a plus and minus. If in numerator we have plus sign, we have to give its opposite sign which is negative in denominator. And denominator coefficient of x cos x is a, coefficient of sin x b, and in denominator same number is exchanged with the trigonometric functions cos and sin. Okay. In this way, we can learn our time-saving result. First of all, we have to prove this result. Okay? Taking left-hand side, suppose, this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Proof of this result, taking left hand side, is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of a cos x plus b sin x whole divided by b cos x minus a sin x. Okay. Students, we know that a formula, a trigonometric formula of compound angle tan of a plus b is equal to. Any students can give the formula for tan of a plus b? Anyone? Okay. We know that tan of a plus b is equal to tan of a plus tan of b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan of b. If we realize this formula, we can get there is plus sign in numerator and the opposite sign, that is negative, in denominator. And in denominator, the first term, there are two terms in denominator and first term should be 1. Okay. In denominator, there are two terms. First term is 1 and second term is multiplication of both terms which are present in numerator. Okay? Okay, students? We are seeing that in this formula, in denominator, there are two terms. First one is 1 and second one is multiplication of the terms which are present in numerator. There is tan A, tan B are present in numerator and they are multiplied as a second term in denominator. Okay, we have to use that format here. Okay, this is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of, since we have to use that formula, so make the first term in denominator 1. The first term 1 we can make first term 1 after dividing by b cos x in numerator and denominator. Okay, we know that any term become 1 when that term is divided by himself. Okay, so dividing by b cos x in numerator and denominator, we have a cos x plus b sin x whole divided by b cos of x divided by b cos x minus a sin x divided by b cos x. Okay, the reason for dividing by b cos x is that we have to get first term 1, since we have to apply this format. Okay, this is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of, and when we distribute b cos x, since this is working as LCM, when it distributed with both terms, getting a cos x upon b cos x, cos x get cancelled, we have a by b plus, when b cos x upon b cos x, sorry, b sin x upon b cos x, we know that sin x upon cos x is tan x. Okay, and b get cancelled, we have tan x and whole divided by, when b cos x is distributed with both the terms, we have b cos x divided by b cos x, which is 1 minus a by b into sin x upon cos x, which is tan x. Okay, students, any problem? Next term is, next process, d by dx of tan inverse of, and now we can use that format. Here a by in numerator, there are two terms. First one is a by b, second one is tan of x, and both are multiplied in denominator, working in the place of second term. A by b and tan of x are multiplied with each other in denominator at second place, means in second term. Okay, so we can use that format, and suppose, and since in that format both terms should be in form of tan, here tan of a plus tan of b, but the second term is in tan, but first term is not in the form of tan. So assume it as, let a by b is equal to tan of theta. Then this becomes tan theta plus tan of x divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan of x. Okay. Now this format is similar with that format, so we can apply that formula. This is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of tan of theta plus x, theta plus x, tan theta plus x, tan theta plus tan x upon 1 minus tan into tan theta into tan of x. Okay, since, and we know that tan inverse of tan of x is equal to x, this is inverse property. Okay, so we have d by dx of tan inverse tan, means theta plus x, and this is equal to, since we have theta is equal to tan inverse of a by b. Okay, so d by dx of tan inverse of a by b plus d by dx of x, and tan inverse a by b is a constant with respect to x, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So the result is 1. Students, any problem you can ask. Please write down and make a note.